Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English Moments. Today, we'll explore one of the most flexible and commonly used words in English, get.
Yes, get can be confusing because it has many meanings, depending on context. By the end of this lesson, you'll know when and how to use get correctly in daily English and IELTS speaking.
We'll cover its most common uses, receiving, becoming, obtaining, reaching, and phrasal verbs.
The most basic meaning of get is to receive or obtain something.
Think of it like someone gives you something or you acquire it. Examples.
I got a gift for my birthday. She got a new phone last week. Did you get my email?
Notice, get here equals receive, obtain. We often use got for past tense. Common expressions: get a letter, email, message. Get a present, gift. Get a promotion. Get a chance, opportunity. Another very common meaning, get equals become.
Yes, it shows a change in state or condition. Examples.
It's getting cold outside. She got tired after running. He got angry when he saw the mistake. I'm getting hungry.
Remember, when you describe a change in feeling, condition, or situation, use get. Common patterns: get plus adjective. Get ready, get lost, get married, get worried. We also use get for reaching a place.
Think, how do you get somewhere? How do you arrive or reach? Examples.
I usually get to school at 7:30. What time did you get home yesterday? How do I get to the airport from here?
So get equals arrive, reach, or move somewhere. Another important use, get equals understand.
Yes, this is very common in informal English. Examples. I don't get this joke. Did you get what she said? Now I get why he was upset.
Remember, get and understanding often replaces understand in spoken English.
We also use get to mean take an action or do something. Examples.
I need to get some rest. Let's get lunch. Can you get the door?
Notice here, get equals prepare, obtain, or take action.
Get is often combined with prepositions to make phrasal verbs.
Yes, let's go over some common ones. Get up, wake up, or stand up. Get on, board, bus or train, or have a good relationship. Get off, leave, bus or train. Get along, have a good relationship. Get over, recover from illness or problem. Get by, manage or survive. Example sentences.
I got up early today. She gets on well with her colleagues. He got over the flu quickly. How do you get by with so little money?
Phrasal verbs with get are very common in conversation. Learning them will sound natural.
For IELTS speaking, using get correctly shows fluency and natural English.
Examples. I got tired yesterday. To informal, use okay in speaking. I became tired yesterday. To formal. I got a new phone. To common in speaking.
Notice, get is natural in spoken English, but can be replaced by formal verbs in writing. Try making your own sentences with get for receiving, becoming, reaching, understanding, and actions. Quick recap. Get equals receive or obtain. I got a gift. Get equals become or change. I got tired. Get equals arrive or reach. I got home late. Get equals understand. I get it now. Get equals action or take something. Let's get lunch. And remember phrasal verbs: get up, get along, get over, get by.
That's all for today's lesson on get.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Moments.
Comment below. Which get sentence do you use the most? Thanks for learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.